All right, guys. I'm sitting here in Oklahoma, gonna deliver to Texas today. Show you what I'm doing inside here. I got my breakfast cooking right there. Cooking some bacon. Should be really good. That's how my wife makes it at home. Turns out really good. Got a shelf there, Xbox up there. Hang up my jackets behind it. A lot of people lay their seat this way. I took out the front seat and laid it up that way. Sorry for the mess. But that way I can stretch out all the way. And I can have a shelf. Have my refrigerator. Have room down here for other stuff. I got lots of room underneath, and I know it's hard to see, it's nighttime. But yeah. So I got about 30 minutes left before I can hit the road. DOT rules. So I'm gonna just go ahead and sit here at the old Walmart. It's a little tiny one. Doesn't even have the right colors. Maybe it's original, it's faded. I don't know. But yeah. Got $2.89 for gas. See if you guys can see. I don't think it's gonna come in, but it's $2.89, trust me. Over at Love's it's $3.18, but I got it for $2.70 on the app. So yeah, looks good, guys. Having a good time. Gonna, after today, I drop this off, then I'm gonna go to my son's house, which is about 10 minutes from my drop off. So I'll stay the night with him, see my grandbabies. Then I'm gonna hit the road. Head back for Halloween and the big party. I'll do a good video of that. It's a massive party, you guys won't believe it. Just done by a friend privately, and a bunch of people help put it together because it takes months to put it together. Gonna have a live band, a food cart, all at his house. So stay tuned for that. That one should be the next one unless something interesting comes up along the way. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe. Appreciate you. Have a great day. Be safe out there.